Did you? Man, you're good.
What?
So, man, you're good if you beat me.
Yeah. What do we need? A two-title latch.
Well, we're gonna have to put some hose clamps up here first. Okay?
Alright. We need the two-title latch back. Two-title.
Well, I think we're gonna need these first. So a flathead screwdriver if you got one. Alright, can I see it real quick?
Yep.
Alright, I just needed to open that box.
And we will read in here. No.
No, I'm gonna have you use it here in just a second. Alright, here's what we need to do.
What?
You pull these off.
What one?
Alright, come here.
We need wheat. A bio. That's my mom. We want to.
Come on, bub. Look. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Don't screw on none of that stuff. Alright, let's pop this one off. Put that one on.
Ooh.
And this one on.
Not too tatty.
We probably need one more. Yeah. I need one more.
Yep.
At least on this side anyways. Alright. Come here, Mr. Lee.
Alright.
Alright.
What do you need you to?
Can you go ahead and tighten that one up for me? Alright, you gotta turn it towards me. You ready?
We don't need.
Keep going. Alright, I think we're good there.
Now your turn to do this one, and my turn to do this one.
Alright, right here.
That's your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
After your turn, that's my turn to turn on wheel.
Alright, we'll take turns.
Yep. Let me tap it that battle. Nope. Not too tight. We need that pretty tight, right?
Yep, we need them pretty tight.
What's it feet?
That's a plug for the boat, so no water comes in.
Oh, that's on right here?
Drain the water out of the boat.
Oh. We need to, Daddy, help me put that in. We need to pick the boat and put the boat in.
Well, huh? We ain't out on the water yet. Come here. You gonna do this one?
Yep.
All right. I got it started for it. Okay, you don't need my help? Oh, you missed. You're falling off. Push down on it a little bit. Don't stab me though.
Oh.
Right.
Sorry, Dad.
It's okay.
Oh. But are they that? Yep.
Now let me see if I can get a little bit tighter. You got pretty close, I think.
Ah.
Yep, I only got one more turn out of it, so we're good.
We get your boat, right, Daddy?
Yep, this is all of our boat.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get the one back here that you can't reach, okay?
All right.
Cause you ain't gonna be able to reach that one, I don't think.
Ooh, yeah. Two last one, and I turn to after that. I turn to two.
Well, I got one more you can do on that side. You gotta give me a second. Okay?
I'm off the grid and I'm
Don't step on the poles, but I'm gonna need your help again, okay?
Alright, that's why I put. Hey!
Yeah.
It's mine!
Yeah, it is yours. Are we gonna put it to use today?
Yeah, we need to catch some meat with that.
We gonna catch some bass?
Yeah!
Or
maybe-
catfish?
Catfish, but we to eat, right?
Yeah, you want catfish to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that.
To eat, maybe. Catfish or
Well, we'll try getting on some catfish then.
Wooloo. Catfish are huge or wooloo, Dad?
Oh, they can get big. They can get real big. I think the world record's like 120 pounds or something like that.
Hey,
Hey, what?
we put a time here?
Do what?
Oh. Halloween. We Daddy a whole. A whole Daddy.
Down a one-way road. Yeah, we them holler. The only fight I've ever been in was taking up for somebody else. The only time I got my jaw jacked is never, but damn sure not quite yet. The times I miss the most are the times nobody knows. When it was me, my cousin, and a couple of my buddies racing down old Sam's Creek Road. We them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that spring door.
Oh.
Hey, don't hit those. You're knocking dirt all over the motor, bub. And pine needles. We don't need it catching fire, do we?
Oh, yeah.
That'd be a bad idea.
What, Dad? We went out to Tad's Freezer battle, right, Dad? Right, Dad?
Do what?
We went out to Tad's Freezer battle, right?
Yeah, we probably won't. We'll probably take the kayak paddles. If those ones kind of stink to use on the water. We tried that last time when the water pump wasn't working.
I want to try. I want to
But we got that problem fixed, I think.
Hold on. Hey, I'm on a battle right now. We got a huge battle. I'm on a huge battle. A kayak.
Yeah, that's a kayak paddle, huh?
Yeah,
That's Mason's paddle. Yeah, that one's Mason's. Mason's kayak's that green one over there.
No shirt on, leaving 2 black marks down a one-way road. Yeah, we them holler boy, native to the holler soul, washed in the spring of a farmer's joy. We them holler boys, holler.
Sorry, y'all. I'm testing out the camera, so this might be a little boring.
We can't bet, Daddy. But we're not watching at all.
I want to see how it does. I want to practice the editing. The boys want to start a YouTube channel, or at least just so everybody can see it in the family with this coronavirus around. Not being able to go too many places, but that doesn't affect us out here. Yeah, we just spend our times in the woods more than anything. Try to make every day an adventure.
Holler if you need something done. Holler if you need a chip on a shoulder
What, Bobby?
We got an angel. A heavy.
Yep, that's an anchor. Oh, that's another thing we needed to get. We need to get new anchor rope. But it'll work for now. The river we are going to ain't that deep. We need a new rope if we go out to the Tennessee. But we're only doing the duck today.
We got one heavy, Daddy.
Just to give the boat another test run.
Oh, Dad, we got a nano angel. Dad, we got a nano angel. A nano angel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We got two.
Oh, the brick?
Yeah.
Yeah, the brick's more for the kayak.
Oh.
That's my little cheap anchor. For when I go down to the pond and just want to float out in the middle and just cast every corner.
And we are That's so heavy, Dad.
Well, yeah. They're supposed to hold the boat still in the river.
Yeah. And the other one will tie it.
All right. I think we got the motor all plumbed up.
Yep. Now, dun 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 dun.
Dun 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 dun! I don't even think we're gonna need those, huh? Well, we'll need the clamps out of there, but here, now we need this hose.
Oh, we told.
This one right here. See where it's got the union right here? Look. All right, where's that pump at? What'd you do with the pump?
Right here.
Right there.
Yep.
All right, you ready?
Oh, oh.
Yep, she's got some fuel in it. Oops. All right, which way's the flow going? That way. Oh, might have met. All right, now we need to get these clamps out. You gonna tighten these clamps?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What did we do?
Let's see, is that one gonna fit? Yep, what do we do? All right, we need that one too.
What if I put oil on?
No, it goes on the other side. All right.
This one. Let me read that chat.
All right, I need you to come tighten this down for me.
Not yet.
I need your muscles. No, they don't, bub.
We got that in real.
You gonna tighten it?
No.
Okay. You just gonna watch? You learning?
Yeah.
Or a hand with a loaded gun. We them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder. And a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out there string door, no shirt.
Hey, a couple to wait here, Daddy.
Yep.
I hold up.
That's my little homemade cup holder box.
I want to duck. Anyway. Dog it up. I think you put that in here.
My cup's right there.
Oh, yeah. I put it right here.
Yep. I made that to hold my cup, my cell phone, my wallet.
Oh, mine, Dup. Oh, mine.
Yep.
Wallet.
Well, you don't have a wallet. If you had a wallet, man, you better be giving me some monies.
I got huge. I have watched it in the wall.
I'm gonna have to start putting you to work, huh?
Mm-hmm. I know how to get.
All right, you ready? What's this? See this?
Oh, let me.
Oh, I'm doing it backwards.
Let me.
No, it's hard. All right.
All right, baby.
All right, baby. Let's see if we can get some fuel up here. All right, watch this fuel filter over here. See, if you watch this fuel filter, we'll see it fill up with fuel, hopefully, if it's working right.
Huh?
See the fuel coming in?
Mommy. Mommy, Daddy.
And keep squeezing. We gotta prime it up. Yeah, you do it?
Yeah, that will help too. That will help too. Alright, Daddy? That will help too.
Feel hard, dude?
Yeah, that will help, Dad. Dad?
I don't know if we're getting anything.
I'm not so happy. Wait, Daddy, I think we got up.
Let me see that screwdriver. Where's it at? Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, I put that right through you, you know. That potato, alright? Potato. Potato, alright, Daddy? Potato. I don't want you taking hold, alright? Not have to.
Why is it not priming? The arrow's going the right way.
Oh, I'm doing that. Oh, I'm doing that, Daddy. I'm doing that.
There it goes.
I'm doing
All
that.
right, you actually got it going. Good.
Wait, almost to the top. You like me, Daddy?
Yep. All right, hold on. Let me see it. Let me get a couple more pumps. You did a good job, dude.
Yeah. Oh, you done that now, baby.
Yep, she's full. Let me tighten this hose clamp down. I think, yep, she's squirting that over here.
Oh, baby. Oh, I like big baby, Daddy.
Oh, yeah?
Put talking that over here. On the wheel.
She gonna start for us?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Let's try.
All right, let's put it on. All right, stay right there. You ready?
Yeah. Nope. That's good, Daddy.
Hold on.
Wow! That's really cool.
Give it a second. Can't do it like that with it out of the water, dude. You get.
In that feet one Matty, maybe. You that mean one Matty?
Let me see. Let me try it. Let me see if I can get them any tighter.
We trying that out. We looking to that to go like Daddy.
Yep, we're working together, huh?
Oh. We did that the batty. You got batty, didn't we? A batty?
Do I got a battery in there?
Yeah.
No, this one doesn't run off batteries. I do have batteries for the boat though, to run our lights. Our big old bar lights in the front for night fishing.
I know. Night fishing?
Yeah, dude.
Night fish?
Yeah, we're gonna do some night fishing sometime here soon.
I got to get back with feet.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.